All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, Cro, C-R-O. What's going on with their price prediction? It's down right this second, their price. We're going to go and do a price prediction, go to the website, do a Twitter, see what's going on, do a whole deep dive on what's happening with Cro. Most of the crypto investors are not ready to do their crypto taxes here on April 18th. We're going to talk about that. And the last thing, we're going to talk about a few crypto projects. We're going to talk about Lucky Cat and Rudy Mine. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, right, one day even own some cryptocurrency or do a cryptocurrency project. All right, let's head over to Cro, C-R-O. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, crypto.com, Cro is ranked at number 18. We got a lot of red going on right here. Everything is red, 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 red. We're down 7% in the last 7 days, down 0.5%, and Cro is trading at 44 cents. Clicking it. All right, going over here to the right, we're at 44 cents. We're down only 0.5% in the last 24 hours, so right here is your little dip you're seeing in the last 24 hours. But the big news is in the last 7 days here. In the last 7 days, it's been going down, down, down. It was at 48 cents. It was the peak, and it's down to 44 cents. All right, so let's see if we can figure some stuff out here. All right, we're here on Twitter, crypto.com, the best place to buy, sell, and pay for crypto. BTC, Cro, DeFi. All right, they got 472 followers, 1.9 million followers. 1.9 million right here. Take a look at that. That's pretty big. So right now, basically, just letting everybody know they're doing some system maintenance on the actual app. So there could be some system maintenance going on right this second. So no big deal there. And here's the fortune favors the brave. To make history, you got to call your own shots. One of a kind. Youngest to have a 30-point average, LeBron James at 21. And oldest to have an average at 30-point average at 37. So you got to kind of like that. I mean, in all these years, basically at 21 and at 37, LeBron's still averaging 30 points a game. Playing in crypto.com arena. All right, over here at the website, fortune favors the brave. The world's fastest growing crypto app joined 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend your crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio and receive a reward of up to 14.5% back on your crypto. The app is absolutely easy to use. You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cronus, and Litecoin as an example there. Buy at true cost. Buy and sell 250 cryptocurrencies with 20 fiat currencies using bank transfers of your credit card, debit card. Here you go, the only card you'll need, up to 8% back at all your spending with your sleek, pure metal card. No annual fees, top off with fiat and crypto. Deposit crypto and earn rewards. Here's what we're talking about. Look at this, get 14.5% back on your crypto, PA on your crypto. Get 10% back on your stable coins. I mean, this is pretty fantastic, everybody. Cro, look what it says up here. Cro just received 49.34 PAX on your 8% pack stake rewards. So this is talking over here how they're staking. And then this one right here, Cro stake rewards. You just received 0.86 BTC as your 4% BTC stake reward. So stake on crypto.com, Cro today. All right, so we're going to come back and do a little price prediction on crypto.com, Cro, Cronus. Pick your poison, whichever one you like. They're all three the same. All right, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the investors with cryptocurrency that most of them are not ready for their taxes coming up on April 18th. Majority of crypto investors still aren't ready to file their taxes, survey says. As the tax deadline approaches, most crypto investors still aren't prepared to file, according to a survey of CoinTracker. One of the reasons may be widespread lack of knowledge about digital taxes. My advice would be to take your time and get it right, said Matt, enrolled agent of cryptocurrency tax specialist at MDM Finance Services. There's some crypto. April 18th deadline approaches. April 18th tax deadline approaches. Most cryptocurrency investors still aren't prepared, according to the survey from CoinTracker. As of March 27th, that was just a few weeks ago, 97% of people were not ready. and they haven't submitted it. Now, the findings show that there's about 75% of the people are not ready today. I mean, it's about a week away. One of the issues in widespread crypto tax knowledge gaps with confusions about the activity is taxable. A CPA and head up tax strategies at CoinTracker. A couple things, we're continuing seeing the misconception that if you didn't cash out to the US dollars, you don't have to report anything. Well, that's just not true. Cryptocurrency may trigger capital gains or losses when sold or the exchange for another coin. The profit or losses in the difference between the purchase price is known as basis, and then you have to pay taxes on that. So, are you one of the 96%? Are you one of the 75%? Right here, 96% and 75%. Get with your accountant, get on the forums, get on the websites, Binance, Coinbase, whatever one you're using, pull your documents, and start ready to do your taxes. I know, not the most favorable subject, but we do got to do that. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Now we're going to talk about two cryptocurrency projects, Rudy Mine and Lucky Cat. Yeah, both of these are miners, they're calling them. All right, we're over here, Rudy Mine. There's about 14,000 AVAX in the contract. I got about 18 rubies. I got in a couple days ago. Today was Sunday, so we just ate today. I actually cashed out 2 AVAX. I actually put 5 AVAX in, so I've already got 2 of them back, which is fantastic. Your daily return is 8% a day. Your APR is 29.20. Your deposit fee is 8%. Going over here to the Twitter account. Talks about Rudy Mine, Ruby Earn AVAX Repeat. The most wealthy and resource-rich Rudy Mine in Avalanche universe. Mine Ruby Earn AVAX Repeat 8% daily. So a lot going on here. They're talking about on the 7th day, God finished 6 days of compounding, and he collected all his rewards on Ruby Rewards on Sunday. The concept here is you compound for 6 days. And then on Sunday you eat, or on Sunday you claim, or Sunday, we'll show you a couple other. But compound for 6 days, claim on the 7th. Okay, 11K AVAX started after 48 hours. 11,000, there's already 14,000. So a little bit behind, we're actually higher than that. So we're preparing a high quality marketing in China, Japan, and Russia within the next days. So there's gonna be more money going into this project. These projects, these miners, are actually, they're all talking about compound for 6 and eat or claim on 1 day. These could make these projects actually do pretty good. So going back to Ruby right here, I'll actually put this in the bottom and stuff, and my link will be in there. You have to actually get signed up with somebody to get started. There's no networking past that. It's just a 1-level thing. But check this out. I mean, I put 5 AVAX in here. You know, you can do a half of AVAX. Do all your information here on this channel is for educational purposes only. Only invest in crypto what you're willing to lose. Crypto's the wild, wild west. It could be some of these high risk and high reward are these projects. So some of them can pan out real, real well, but they also could not go that well. So make sure you do your own homework. These are the hot things right now. These miners, these 6-in-1 miners. Well, with that, we're going to go over to Lucky Cat. All right, we're going to go over here to Lucky Cat. Just this launched yesterday. Lucky Cat has the highest rewards and the lowest fees. It's got 566 BNB in there, just launched. What did I put in here? I actually put in 0.6 BNB in here, and that got me about 960 cats or whatever. I actually count here. We'll do this. I just got in on Sunday. I just got in yesterday. So let's go ahead and compound this real quick. Feed the cats. I'm going to pay a little fee here. We're going to feed the cats. Notice I got 972 right here. So that's how many cats I got, 972. So we're feeding them, or you can pet the cat. But in this case, we're going to feed them. We compound for 6 days. So I'm just giving you a little, showing you how this is working. 972. Remember, they always take about 12 to 15 seconds for these to go through. And now, it looks like it went through. I'm going to go ahead and just refresh it. And the 972 now went up to 983. So now I got no more cats to go out there and mine. And let's go over here to their Twitter account. All right, Lucky Cat BNB. This pays out in BNB. So literally, there's a Lucky Cat right there. They want you to follow it. It just got started. A Lucky Cat BNB miner, 8% APR rewards. So those are my 2 bonus ones for you today. Ruby Mine, and Lucky Cat. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. These are crypto projects. Drip Network is a 1%. My Diamonds team is 1.5% a day. I'll leave my links in the bottom. We're involved in some crypto projects. Again, only invest what you're willing to lose because, I mean, there's uncertainty in DeFi. But when some of these DeFi projects hit, they could be very nice and very fun. You know, you're getting paid out in BNB, and you're getting paid out in AVAX, and you're getting paid out in Phantom, and you're getting paid out in all these different coins and stuff like that. It's pretty exciting. All right, let's head back over to Cronus for a little price prediction. All right, back over here at the website, crypto.com for Cronus. To trade with confidence on the world's fastest, most secure crypto exchange. That shows you that. Liquidity, speed, and security. DeFi made simple. DeFi wallets are your keys, your crypto. DeFi earn, no lockup period, stable returns. DeFi swap your DeFi coins and earn triple yield. All right, crypto in every wallet. This is their goal at crypto.com or Cronus. Founded in 2016, they got a team of 4,000, 10 million users. All right, what's our price prediction here? It's at 0.44 cents. I'm thinking it can go to 46 cents or 47 cents. Remember, do all your own homework. All my information is for educational purposes only. Only be willing to invest what you're willing to lose. All right, we're going to come back here. A lot of red on this right here, but Bitcoin is actually at 42,000 and Ethereum's at 32,000. All right, everybody, Cronus and Cro and crypto.com. A lot of stuff going on with them. Also, don't forget about paying your taxes or getting ready to pay your taxes for the cryptocurrency. And we brought two projects today to you, the Lucky Cat BNB and the Ruby Mine. So do all your own homework with that. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here to see about baked beans and PISTON token. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day.